In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect Pipedrive email subscribers through your website. We're going to walk through creating a simple web form inside Pipedrive, making sure it captures email addresses, and then embedding that form on your website so visitors can subscribe directly into your CRM. By the end, you'll have a working sign-up form that sends leads straight into your Pipedrive account without any extra tools. First, log into your Pipedrive account and look at the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll see a section called Leads. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Pipedrive centralizes incoming leads and potential subscribers, so anything we create here will be ready to track, follow up on, and nurture. Inside the Leads section, find the option labeled Web Forms. Click that, and then choose the button that says New Web Form. If this is your first time using this feature, you might instead see an option called Try Web Forms. Click that to get started. Both options will take you to the same place where you can build your form. Next, you'll be asked to choose a template. Pipedrive offers several, like a simple registration form or a contact us form. Pick the one that best fits how you want people to subscribe or reach out. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect at this stage. You can always adjust the fields and wording later. Once you've chosen your template, click Create Web Form. This opens the form editor. Here, you'll see different content blocks stacked on top of each other. To collect email subscribers, we need to make sure there's an email field that people must fill out. Look for the small plus icon that appears between the existing blocks. Click that and select an email field from the available options. After you add it, make sure to set this email field as required. That way, the form can't be submitted without a valid email address, which is essential if you're building a subscriber list. When you're happy with the layout and the fields, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This locks in your changes and prepares the form to be shared. Now switch to the Share and Embed tab. Here, you'll see a block of embed code generated for your form. Click Copy Code. This snippet is what connects your website to Pipedrive's form. Finally, open your website's HTML editor, navigate to the page where you want the form to appear, and paste that code into the HTML. Save and publish your page, and your Pipedrive web form will now be live, ready to start collecting email subscribers directly from your site.